Hey, Austin here, and we are at the new Webb Nocatee looking at the Prosperity model today. Let's just do a one take and run right through this thing. It's a little courtyard on this elevation. Alright, the Prosperity is 1600 on the small side, up to about 1710 with options that you can expand it up to. So as we come in the front door right here, got this first bedroom here. It's a 2-bath plan with a 2-car garage. And as we move in here to the front door behind me right here, to the right, we've got the garage entrance. Oops. Put that stuff down. So good size 2-car garage compared to the villas. Notice that the garage door starts a little bit, the wall starts along the garage door a little closer. Your hot water heater, your water softener loop. Alright, so from the front door as you come in, on the left you've got this area here which could be your 3rd bedroom. In this case it's an open office type concept, mechanical room. And here we go into the kitchen area. The living room space. And let's run through here into the master bedroom. Master bath, 2 bowls, shower. So it looks like in this model they've gone with a lot of their more standard type features. So come over right here. And a little doorway, entryway to the laundry room. I'm not sure what the purpose of that is, but that's all about. I guess you can do drive-through orders, or if you're a good shot, you can throw your stuff in the laundry over there. And the master closet right there. This model looks like they've kind of kept to the standard features, which is nice. There's 6'8" doors, the very base cabinets here, no hardware, partial overlay doors, meaning they don't meet in the middle here. So it's good to know it's a very nice house, and this is mostly standard features. You see the tile. Not a lot of upgrades in here. Sometimes the models are so upgraded that your expectations are like, oh wow, everything's lined with gold. But you can see here that a very standard house is very nicely appointed still. Anyways, this is the Prosperity by Pulte Homes in the new Webb in Nocatee. And let's move on to the next one.